So in this video we're going to make our first content type. So we're going to go to our schema.org website, and we're going to first content type we're going to make is a book content type. So we're going to select this one, and here we can see ideas we can use for fields for this book content type. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to where it says structure, and then we need to go where it says content type. And we will click on Add Content Type. We're going to call this one Book. And we're going to just put a description. We're going to leave these settings how they are and click on Save and Manage Fields. So the first one we have by default is our body field. So let's add our first field. So we're going to go to schema.org, and looking at the book page type, we can see we've got this first property, could be book edition. And we'll see it's text, so the edition of the book. So what we're going to do is just click on where it says add field. And because this is an edition, I'm assuming it's going to be a number. So we're going to choose a number, which is integer, this one here. So we'll go select this one, and we'll go back to our schema. We'll go highlight where it says book edition, paste that in here. You can see we got the field name now, book edition, and click on save and continue. As a book can only have a single edition, we're going to limit this to just one value, so you can only enter one edition for the book. We'll click on Save and Settings. Next we'll just go space this label and just give that a capital, go back to our schema and just copy this text, the description of what it is, paste it in here, and we're going to leave this unrequired field. So this is an optional setting for our users. And we're going to go down and click on Save Settings. And now you can see we got this book edition field. So let's have a look at what we've done. So we're going to go to Content, and then we're going to go to Add Content, and we can see our book content type here. So we click here. So this is our new book content type we created. We can put a title, we got the body field, and we can see our book edition field we just created. Now we can make it like a first edition, second edition, fourth. But if we click on the down button and keep on clicking, you see now we've got like a -4 edition. You won't get a book that's a minus edition. So how can we fix this? We're going to go back to a structure, and we're going to go back to our content types. We're going to choose our book content type, manage fields. And we can see our book edition field here again, and we're going to click on where it says edit, and we're going to scroll down, and where it says minimum, we're going to make the minimum number 1. So let's save that, and we're going to go back to our content type, but this time we're just going to click on right click and click on open in a new tab. And we're going to click on Add Content. Go click on Book. So here we can see our book content form, and if we go down we can see the book edition. So let's click on the up arrow, we can see we can go up to any number we like. If we click on down, we can see now it stops at 1 because we set the minimum as 1. But if we refresh our page again, we see like it's just empty. So how could we just make this as a default as 1 instead of someone having to just click it to get 1? So we're going to go back to our manage fields, and we're going to click on edit, and we're going to scroll down to where it says default value, and what we're going to put default value as 1. So we'll go down here, click on Save Settings, and we're going to go back to our book content form. And let's refresh this, so see if we get this one show up automatically. So now we can see the one shows up by default, and we can increase the distance by clicking here. If we go down here, we can see it goes no longer than 1. So in the next video, what we're going to be looking at is how to make the book format type. So I'll see you in the next video.